Hello, and welcome to Science of Design Talks. We created these short, snackable video series for marketing and product leaders who want to learn how they can use behavioral science to scale and grow their products. Each video is only a few minutes long and will cover a single behavioral science principle plus some real-life applications of it. Enjoy. All right, so for our behavioral science principle today, we're going to cover a very popular one called social proof. So hopefully everybody's heard of social proof, but the general idea is that as humans, we tend to look to others to guide our decisions. So think of it this way: if you were going to go out to dinner tonight and there were two restaurants side by side, one had a big long line out the door, the other had no one, chances are you're going to go stand in line, even if you don't know what the menu is, etc. So you're basically looking to others to guide your decision. Now, within social proof, there's actually different types of social proof that motivates us as humans. There is pure social proof, which is that people like yourself are doing a certain thing. So think of it this way: the last time that you got a referral to a doctor, you might have gone to your friends and asked, who's your primary care doctor? The second type of social proof is called expert social proof. And the idea here is that we look to people that we admire, i.e. Steph Curry from the Warriors. And we see this a lot in sports advertising. So aspirational people, not our peers, but people that we want to be like. And then finally, another type of social proof is called numbers social proof. And the idea here is that there's many people doing this. So think of McDonald's, billions and billions of people served. Now, what type of social proof you want to use inside your product or marketing is going to vary, but I'm going to show you some examples here. So what you can see here is on a website for B2B, we're using logos of companies similar to the ones that they want to attract, or we might be using a testimonial and a real image from an actual user on a consumer site. This is some examples of using numbers social proof on both a consumer site as well as a B2B site. We're really showing thousands or hundreds of thousands of people that are using the solution. And then finally, for expert social proof, again, you can see the Steph Curry website. For Under Armour, they're leveraging him. We actually use this technique for a B2B HR platform where we showcased some of the really well-known startup founders like Julia Hartz, the co-founder of Eventbrite, to get more people to sign up for their HR platform. Now I want to walk you through how we use social proof inside a product sign-up flow. So this is a client of ours, they're a real estate technology play. And the trouble that they were having is that they were offering folks a free housing report. And what was happening was that a lot of people just wanted the free housing report, but weren't really interested in using their services. And so when we came in and we looked at what they were doing, we noticed that they were using one generic landing page for all California residents. And so the intervention we wanted to design was leveraging this idea of pure social proof. So basically signaling to people that they provide solutions for people similar to you in your geographical region. So we went away from the generic landing pages to custom landing pages that you see here. So for example, you can see the San Diego versus Sacramento landing page. We showcased homes from that region, testimonials, images from those cities, etc. And ultimately, we talked about how you can actually connect with an agent that has local knowledge to your area. Now, the results are proprietary, but what we can share is that we were able to see a significant lift above 20% once we did this social proof intervention. Another example is for a client of ours. They're a financial technology solution, and we see this very commonly. So before in their social ads, they were basically showing the features of their app to try to get users to sign up for their services. And when we designed our intervention with social proof, we actually picked out use cases of what peers and people like the employees that were using their solution or using the money for. So we did that. We coupled it with stories of how they were actually using it. In real life, we ended up using real photos of their actual users. And as a result, we were able to get a really radical lift, about 90% increase in installs for people downloading this compared to what they had before. Do you have a marketing or product challenge that could use help from behavioral science? Each month, we offer 5 free behavioral science consults with our team of scientists to our listeners. To see if you qualify, simply follow the link hellonextstep.com/SOD and drop us a note. And remember, you can also take advantage of the wealth of free content that we have on our website in our resources section, including videos, how-tos, and case studies. Thanks so much.